Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be decorating for July 2022. Just a month for my ring bound planner. And I made some stickers and we are going to stick those on and stick in my plans and be on our way. So this is what I made for this month. Now this is the Focus planner, and I had told you last time when I did the setup, trying to line this up, that the top was larger than the regular months in the ring bound planners, so I had to make these bigger, and you know, they fit differently for than that one did. I already did that one. I'll show you in a minute. Just let me get this lined up here. I know it's so hard to do, probably because of the angle, but being away from me to film. I have the Daily Duo A5 rings. I already decorated. I use this one for content planning for my videos, and here's my checklist over on the side. Oops. So then I need to do this one for, this is like my catch-all planner for everything that's going on in the month of July. So I think that looks cute like that. What else do we want to do? Let's see what we should do next. I have some of these splotches and some of these stars. This one did get a little water drop on it, and some washi tape and boxes. So I think maybe I will stick boxes down first for when I know that we have plans, which we have plans. We have a graduation party to go to on this day. Oop, they're a little bit big. I wonder if that's because, I don't know, they shouldn't be too big because the width is the same between the two, between the many A5 planners. It's just the height of the box is a little bit smaller on the Focus planner. I don't know why they do that, but they do. So we have plans on there. We have graduation party there. We have our 4th of July party here. It's crooked. And then of course the actual 4th of July is on the 4th, which already says Independence Day here. I'm gonna leave that and just kind of move it up here, I think. Okay, and what else? And then I have, oops, should I do another light blue up here maybe? My daughters and my grand dog are coming on Friday for that weekend. So that will be something we put here. I think the rest of the month is like pretty much open. I don't think I really have, let's see, anything else going on. The 15th I wanted to use. So let's do the dark blue. 15th is just noting my daughter's last days of work at summer school. Anything else? This one I'm just gonna put, it's kind of silly, but one of our favorite restaurants reopens on the 12th. So I guess we'll put that on there. Since we have all of these, I don't understand why these are bigger this time. Kind of weird. All of these stickers. So then I denote recycling. So if it's recycle on the 30th, it won't be on the 7th, but it will be on the 14th. So do a red one for that too. I don't like when they, on these designs, they don't have the line down this on the left side, so you can't like line things up. To turn the page around to line it up. So that's recycle, and then let's use that color, another dark blue for recycle down here on the 28th. else do I want to list? Oh yeah, I put when I wash my floors too. So if we're going to a party on the 25th, so I won't be washing them on the 2nd. I wonder if I should though here. We're just going to put when they should be washed. We'll do that. So the 2nd's no, so the 9th is a yes. Hopefully I will not run out of stickers here. Out of labels, I mean. So that's going to be on the crooked layer too. My goodness. That day. And I'm going to use the same color here. Yeah, now over on the side here, I'd like to put like a next month kind of thing. Now for June, I didn't use the top. I just used the bottom. And I could have used more. So maybe I'll go just a little bit down and put a next month. What kind of color do I want to use? Oops, these stickers not sticking. I guess we'll use the light blue. Gonna put that. Could put it just right in the middle and write next month on it. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this in real quick and then I will be back. Now isn't that funny? I don't even remember why I put this here. And I'll have to go back and watch it while I'm editing to find out what I'm supposed to write there. You guys know because I just told you, but I can't go back in time. So that's what it's going to have to be. So since we don't really need the washi for any like extended periods of time, we can just use it to decorate. So I think that, which one to use? I like both of them. Let's try this one. And how long are these? These go the whole length, right? So let's put this down on the bottom. A lot of people make colored numbers for their kits, which I could do, but it just takes so much time to put them on. And I feel like it adds extra bulk then to your planner, so the numbers are there, so why do you need to cover them up? I can use stickers for other purposes instead. Gives more room for on my little sheet for more decor or more boxes instead of taking up the room for the numbers. Okay, so let's put this one on top of those. I didn't realize the 31st is still down here, so we'll have to watch that one. I probably should have, this is still the day, but I don't know. Shouldn't have really covered it, but oh well. Should have left that one. Else. Okay, so we have that. We have these splotches, which I could put. Where's the first day? Is right there. Should I put a blue in there? Or should I put a red one there? I think I am gonna put or I could put a small blue one. Fit that one up here. Could turn it this way too, so that it fits that. And then where do we want to put this other one? Like going into the, and then we'll put the red one down here. Oh, didn't realize it was two lines like that. Thought it was one big thing. So I could put this one and then put some stars on top and then save the other boxes for later. And I do have more stars because I had to make this twice so that I had a different size for the smaller one. Not smaller, but because the focus is bigger. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's cover that water spot. I guess it doesn't really look so bad that that water spot's there because the other, these things are kind of like splotchy like that too. But we just lost an arm of our star. I was thinking of covering it like this. Oh, I got my sister's birthday I could put on there too. That's right. Another thing to add in there. And then my niece's birthday. Kind of want that one too. I don't know if I'm going to use the extra stars. Oh, I have one more left. Let me put my sister's birthday is here. If I can move this up a little bit. Oh. It's like you can move them when you first stick them, but I may have to. I don't know. Let's see if this sticks. Might be okay. Okay, let's use this one. The only problem is, I think I also have bills due on this day. Oh, the next day, which is why I have another birthday up here. So how am I going to do that? Might have to use the little sidebar, I guess. Have to write them over here and draw an arrow, I guess. Any other birthdays in the month? No. We still have the washi tape left. And we still have all of these boxes left in case something happens. And then I do have this extra ones over here, but okay, I think that looks pretty good for July 2022. Now I can't put it in my planner yet because I don't have it set up yet. Oops. But I can clip this so that it's ready when it is set up. When I didn't do my this page either. I don't know if let's see if I use that. Let's see if I use that for June. Just 1 second here. June. Oops. After. Oh, I just wrote it like that. Events, birthdays, and focus. So I didn't really decorate it. I could put the 3 boxes since I have left red. I don't have red, white, and blue, but I have red, light blue, and dark blue. And then I do have some washi tape left that I could use. So let's put red up here. And I have some stars, I think, too. Looks really crooked. Really crooked. And they're not equal. Yeah, I don't know why these boxes. I wonder if when I change the size of the header that it changed the size of the boxes maybe a little. Because now these two look smaller compared to that one. Could be. Could be what happened. Let's put this up here. Stick it to me. Oh, I don't have the other page. Shoot. Well, and did I say I had stars? Yes, I do have a couple stars left. So I'll kind of put this up by July. These ones are kind of not cut as well. actually put this color swatch down here with something. Can kind of go like that and put a red box on there. Not sure what I'm writing in here, but whatever. This month, next month, upcoming. I could put upcoming. Let's put upcoming in here. And then this one is events. This one is birthdays. And this one is focus. So for events, I have Max's grad party. And then I have our annual 4th party. And then for birthdays, my sisters and my niece. And then actually my husband's grandmother, who's not with us anymore, but we'll put her here, and then I should really put her on here too. 24th. We used a navy color. Do I have a navy one left? Oops. Things are sticking to my arm. Oh yeah, look at, where did that go? It's that one piece of washi is just like traveling with me here. All right. So let me stick this one on the 24th. Swish, swish, too. So we'll kind of stick that up here. Just to add something more. And then we'll start on here. For that. And I think we're pretty good there. I can use this if I find this dot grid page. When I put my planner together, I will stick the washi on the top and bottom of that. But that looks pretty cute for July 2022. Got to figure out what that was supposed to be. Got to write in my bills. And then here is the dashboard, the left half of the dashboard. This I got to put date on here, 2 and 3. Okay. Focus on, I still am decluttering. That is still my focus for all of 2022. That is my word of the year even. Okay. So, until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.